Okay guys, I want to show you here something super cool, how you can catch like really nice moves. This is especially nice for day trading with higher leverage, but it works on all time frames, on all charts. And in this specific example, I just want to show you the Bitcoin chart. So this is a 1 minute chart, and you can see right now this massive move to the upside in a matter of minutes. Now, what we can see here, number one, is look at the New York Open, the vertical lines, 9:30 a.m. Eastern time. You can see, and this stuff happens a lot in stocks and forex. So you get the New York Open, then you get the manipulation after the New York Open, and then a massive squeeze to the upside, right? We've had this 2 days in a row. But the cool thing here is it's been chopping around all day. Okay, so this is like a 24 hours. Then we have the next New York Open 1 day later. So this is 24 hours between the lines. And you can see after the New York Open, manipulation, taking the liquidity, so sweeping the low, and this is a 1 minute chart, so it all happens very quickly. Move up, retest the same low level, and then a massive squeeze to the upside. Now, what happens a lot of the time is, like with this slow grind down, is people think that we are bearish and they start shorting all the way down, thinking we're going to break down below that line. Then it traps people, especially the people who short towards going below this previous low. They think, oh, we're going to break down, I'm going to short on high leverage, and then the squeeze comes and it wrecks everybody, and people get trapped in this over and over. And you can see probably after we've taken this liquidity here at the lows, we're going to take this liquidity at the highs again. That's like, it's directly going for that. So it's probably going for this. Maybe even when I'm making this video, it's almost there. But now the question is, how do you know this stuff? And if you understand what I'm explaining to you here, this is already pretty advanced knowledge of understanding just the liquidity and the New York Open times and stuff like that. Okay, so that already is something that you can learn, but this is all looking at it manually. Now, for someone who doesn't understand how this works and who hasn't really dived into it, I want to help. And that's where our central command cheat code indicators come in. You can see here, this is the same chart. So it's the Bitcoin chart on 1 minute, but we've made these one-click overlays, right? So you can turn this on and off, one click. And this is, by the way, 100% free. The details are in the description down below if you want access to this. It works on all time frames, 1 minute, 1 day, 1 week, and it works on all charts, stocks, forex, gold, metals, whatever, right? So you can see here very simply, there's red and there's blue. And when it's red over here, it warns that the top is likely in, that is overbought, and that we shouldn't be longing at this level over here. Then, actually, if we add in the EMA ribbon, it gives you multiple things that you can do with this. So number one, you don't want to be longing once it turns red because it's likely overheated. Number two is you can consider closing open long positions that are in profit once it starts turning red. And number three is that after it turns red and we get an EMA ribbon flip like over here, we can look for a short all the way down into the blue, and the blue is the inverse. So this massive squeeze and this liquidity grab here, where it swept the previous low, it was warning us that we were going blue here, and that means we are not shorting into this because it's oversold and it's likely not going to continue to break down from here. That is how it works. It's super simple, visually easy. You don't need to know much. You need to know exactly it's red is a warning and blue is a warning. So then after the EMA ribbon flip, you can see over here, after it turned blue and the price got above the ribbon and we got the ribbon flip over here, you could have longed here at about 73,000, 72,900, and you can see you could have caught a $500 move already to the upside. And now, as you zoom in more, you can see it's slightly getting overheated, but it could probably still continue a bit higher. But you can see how helpful this is visually, and it can just prevent you from being the person who is shorting into the liquidity grab and then it reverses and squeezes. In the same way that we now had this massive squeeze to the upside here, right? This is a $1,000 move to the upside on the 1 minute chart, that you're not going to be FOMO longing into this right now because there's a chance that it pulls back or maybe even completely goes back down again. So that is how useful this is. And you can actually connect your Blofin exchange account to this trading terminal via API keys. We don't touch your money. We don't touch your funds. You're in control of your money. It's all in your Blofin account. But with API keys, the official keys of Blofin Exchange, you can connect it. You can even trade here through the terminal once it's connected long and short directly on the terminal. But of course, also if you want, you can just trade within the exchange in Bluefin itself. But these overlays and this trading terminal is 100% free. The details are down below. Just wanted to show you this, how cool this actually is and how much it can help you visually by understanding when things are overbought and oversold. Very easy, blue and red, 2 colors, and then add in the EMA ribbon. It's one click. There's a whole lot of other stuff here, by the way. It's all completely free. So if you want to check this out, personally, it's made a massive difference to my own trading because that's why I made this whole thing, and I wanted to share it with anyone who's willing to listen, really, because it's been a game changer for me. And I think from the feedback that we've gotten, at least, like, so many people are saying, like, this has made such a big difference to how they make their trading decisions simply by removing the human emotion from it, right? The FOMO, the fear, panic, worry, all that kind of stuff that humans tend to feel. This is just purely data. It's an indicator. It works 24/7. It doesn't get tired. It just works based on the price action and shows you when the price action is overbought or oversold. And it gives you just that hint and that guidance of what to do. And you can apply that to your entries, TP, SL. A massive, massive difference. It's 100% free for now. We're still all building this out and coding this out. And you know, if you're seeing this now and you're early to this and you want to check it out, 100% free. Details in the description down below. And we also have a free Discord actually for this. So if you go and check out the details below on that, I will send you how to join the free Discord. You can come and hang out with other members who are using this, the Central Command Trading Terminal. You can ask questions, you can give feedback. And like I said, it's all 100% free still for now. In future, we'll probably end up charging for this because we are covering the costs for now. But I think it's very, very cool. So go and check it out. Come join Discord, and then I'd love to hear if it makes a difference for you too.